That's the sound of your brain cracking.
What's up everybody, Thomas and it's a DCIV, and as you can see it's winter wonder weather, but it's just Bando time. And we arrived in Belgium. We are 2 minutes from the location. We're going to the Glass Factory and yeah, let's get cracking. And arrived at the Glass Factory. We're preparing ourselves. We got a nice corner. Germans are gonna be here soon as well, but we claimed this spot, so let's get some cracking in.
Choisir un boulot. Choisir une carrière. Choisir une famille. Choisir une putain de télé à la con. Choisir des machines à laver, des bagnoles, des platines laser, des ouvre-boîtes électroniques. Choisir son avenir. Choisir la vie. Pourquoi je ferais une chose pareille? J'ai choisi de pas choisir la vie. J'ai choisi autre chose. Les raisons? On n'a pas besoin de raison quand on a l'héroïne.
Well, that was a little bit too quick. So I have one drone trying to recuperate. Another drone is completely fried, and one drone is now half with water damage. So see if I can get one drone to work, at least get some cracking in, real cracking.
Bien comme je vous le disais, se droguer c'est mal.
On n'a pas besoin de raison quand on a l'héroïne.
Se droguer c'est mal.
All around there are so many races, different colors, million faces. All around there is some people crying, are we losers? It's confusing. I'm only looking for some better places. Wish I knew where. I'm also asking for a better future. Can I choose it? Can I choose it? All around there are so many races, different colors, million faces. All around there is some people crying, are we losers? It's confusing. I'm only looking for some better places. Wish I knew where. I'm also asking for a better future. Can I choose it?
How can it be stuck like this? Sure. And cracking we did. At least one drone is already burned. The flight controller was burned through. But the other two drones, one by one, I actually got it fixed by the drone barbecue, so that was good news. So yeah, a little bit shitty weather, but the good news is from here on it's only gonna be better weather, so carry on. See you at the next cracking.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
A world where anything is possible. Where we go from there is a choice I leave to you.